Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and jumping straight to Display. That's where most phones expose refresh rate controls. Once there, look for refresh rate, motion smoothness, or a similar label. If you don't see an option, enable developer options via About Phone and build number taps. Make sure developer options are visible before continuing. You need this now because some OEM skins hide the control. Once done, you'll be ready to select a new refresh rate and observe immediate changes. You now select the target rate. Pick a fixed value like 60, 90, or 120 Hz, or choose Adaptive/Auto if available to let the system scale. Tap the option and accept any prompt. The display will switch instantly so you can see the difference. Make sure to open a scrolling list, animation, or a high frame rate video to verify smoother motion. This is how you confirm the change worked. If you change developer options values, keep them reasonable so background apps aren't throttled. You finish by locking in the selection and validating battery and performance. If animations look inconsistent, restart the phone. Sometimes services need a reboot to respect new display timing. Make sure battery saver is off and apps aren't capped at lower frame rates. Some games use in-app frame limits. If problems persist, reset display settings, update system firmware, or revert developer options changes. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot first. Many display issues clear after a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.